Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a college email account. First, navigate to your college's official website or admissions portal. Look for a dedicated section for new student accounts or email activation. You'll need your student ID number and some form of personal identification, like a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity and begin the process. Once you've found the right section, you'll be guided through creating your account. This typically involves choosing a username, often based on your name, and setting a secure password. Aim for a password with at least 12 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't forget to add a personal recovery email and phone number for easy access if you ever forget your login details. After successful creation, you can log into your brand new college email account. Take a moment to explore the interface. Most college email systems are powered by popular platforms like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. You might want to set up email forwarding to a personal account or configure mobile access on your smartphone for easy, on-the-go communication. This ensures you never miss an important update. Finally, remember to check your college email regularly, at least once every 24 hours, as it's the primary channel for official communications, including financial aid, course updates, and campus announcements. If your personal contact information changes, update it promptly with the college. Your college email is a professional tool. Use it for all academic and professional correspondence throughout your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.